In this video, I will show you how to download and install Firefox on your laptop step by step so you can get set up quickly and start browsing with a fast, secure web browser. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up your current browser, whether that's like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So in this example, I'll be using Google Chrome. Once you've done that, come across to google.com and just Google search for download Firefox. Once you've done that, you should see the official website at the top come up, so give that a click. Alternatively, what you can always do is just come across to firefox.com. Now once you've done that, you're going to see from the home screen the download button, so give that a click, and what that's going to do is start to download Firefox onto your PC. Once it's downloaded, click onto the installer, click yes on the permission that comes up, then what you can do is click the button to start installing Firefox on your PC. And once that's done, it's going to automatically load up Firefox, so you can read through the terms of service, things like that, and then click continue. On the initial setup, you can choose whether to pin Firefox to your taskbar, set it as your default browser, or if you want to import things like bookmarks and your history from a previous browser, you can do that as well. However, you don't have to do this straight away. You can just come down and click skip this step down in the bottom corner, and then what you can do is skip the step that follows. That's just about extensions, and then just click on to start browsing. As soon as you've done that, it's going to load up Firefox, and as you can see, we've now successfully downloaded and installed Firefox on our laptop. So that is how to download and install Firefox on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.